Hello, in this video I show you how to turn on or off a computer from another computer using command prompt. First, I show you how to remotely shut down a computer with a command. I call the two computers in this video PC01 and PC02. With PC01 I perform the following steps. Open Settings. Click on Apps. Click the Programs and Features option. Click the Turn Windows Features on or off option from the left pane. Check the Windows Subsystem for Linux option. Click the Restart Now button. Open Microsoft Store. Enter Ubuntu. Click the Install button. Click the Launch button. Create a username for Ubuntu and press Enter. Specify a password for the Ubuntu and press Enter. Repeat the password and press Enter to confirm. Create sudo password for Ubuntu. Update Ubuntu. Install Samba Common Bin. If you do want to shut down the remote computer, use the following command. Here are the necessary settings on PC02. You will need to change a registry setting on the host you are shutting down. Open the registry and go to this key. Add this key, or change it if necessary. This is the IP address of the PC02 computer. If the computer has not been set a password, you will need to set up a password for it. The preparation steps are complete. I will perform a remote shutdown using the command line. Part 2 of this video I will guide you how to turn on a remote computer with the command line. On PC01 computer, I install Wake on LAN. On the PC02 computer, the following steps are required. Select the Power Management tab and check off all three boxes shown below. Next, select the Advanced tab, scroll down in the Property box and select Wake on Magic Packet and ensure that it is enabled in the Value List box, then click OK. To find the MAC address, make sure the PC is connected to your router via a wired Ethernet connection. You'll see the physical MAC address here. And with this command, you can turn on PC02 from PC01. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.